There's the culprit. Exciting. Want to slide? Want to slide? Come on. He's doing that. He's not getting you right now. I want to take a picture. Come on, slide. Slide. Owie. Slide again. Oops. I'll hand it to you.
I don't know. I better stay away from here.
Maybe.
Did you get a picture? Wait, did you get the picture?
Oh.
Yeah. I'm gonna get it now.
Ah, good catch, babe.
Did you take a picture?
Yeah, I missed it though. Oh, you just fell behind. What happened?
The wind took me and I fell down.
Really? Try to go down on that side. Here, Roscoe. Roscoe, buddy. Get him. Oh my goodness. So much fun. What? What happened? You want the sled? What happened? You don't like the sled? What? What's going on the sled? Here's the sled. Come to get you. Oh, you can't have the flag. Stop it. Rascal. Shut. All right, do it again. Rascal. Oh no! Get him, Rascal. Lick your little boy. Get him. Get the puppy. Puppy. Where do you think you're going? What? You think there's a bird in there? Look, it's not even a bird. Look. Look, Roscoe. Look. Look. Roscoe, it's fake. It's a fake bird. It's a fake turkey. It's fake, Roscoe. It's a fake bird. What happened? Raven suspended. Oh, you just pegged Raven in the head, you little stinker. You think that's funny, huh?
Is that fun, Nick?
Yeah?
Wow.
See, I was using the purple for steel.
Here, look at mine.
Are we done, Daddy?
Yeah.
We're done. Good job.
Wow.
Look at the big hill.
We are done. For the most part, we just got a little bit over there.
Grandpa shouldn't be doing anything.
Grandpa shouldn't be doing anything. Did you hear that? Sherry says you gotta be down in Florida.
Should be in Florida, Pops.
Yeah. Gotta be down in Florida. It's like 98 degrees there. No, not 98. It's only 65. And how much snow does Florida have? Yeah. Your nose. Look at your nose. Or Ray Ray, get up there with me. Come on.
You better watch Roscoe's knees.
Come on. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl.
Roscoe.
Come here, girl. Come on, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, Ray. Come here.
Roscoe, come here. I'm worried about his knees.
Come here, Ray.
Oh, that's so funny.
Look at Roscoe. He's gonna hurt his leg.
Yeah, he is, Daddy. Right there he did.
You better bring him in.
Right there he did it.
What am I thinking?
I don't know what you're thinking.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna bring them in anyway.